Hi, I welcome you to my third in series course on ePLAN Electric P8. In this one we are going to cover a module that is important to all of you who work internationally and in different languages. The module is called Translation. So in this course we are going to cover pretty much everything that is to know about translation in ePLAN. We are going to work with two languages, English and German. And by the end of the course, you'll be able to create circuit diagrams, or better to say, complete ePLAN documentation in more than one language. We're going to basically create a new translation database, a dictionary, and English and German language to the database, and then make our way through translating different sections in ePLAN until we accomplish that we have everything within our project in two languages. A little disclaimer. I'm not going to cover each and every function that is related to translation. It's not possible to cover all the possible scenarios, but everything you'll see throughout the lessons will be more than enough to know to be able to work effectively with translation in ePLAN. So I hope you'll find this course useful, and I wish you great success in mastering ePLAN Electric P8.